Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you guys for joining me, your boy Tony, for another banger. Today I'm excited. To be honest, I've wanted and not wanted to make this video for a very long time already. I wanted to because it would make a huge difference to the car, and I also did not want to because it was gonna take a lot out of me personally, per se. But obviously the number one thing when we're in the bug, right? We're in the bug right out today, you know. The number one thing that you guys see the most is right behind me. You know what I'm saying? So that needs to get taken care of for load times, because I can't have people looking at this raggedy ass interior. So we got to take care of that. Today might be a two-parter. Today we're going to start with the foam and insulation. I ordered it off J-Bugs, apart with a ton of other little parts for the interior. But those little parts are probably going to be in the next segment. Once we do the actual headliner and the nice finishing touches and whatnot. But today what we're gonna do is focus on the foam and focus on taking out all this nastiness out of the interior. I already kind of started, as you guys can see. The rear seat is out, my louvers are out. I started already going at it, but I figured I'd show you guys kind of what was left of my headliner, and then we'll go into it more or less what we got. All right, now that you guys know exactly what we have, we're gonna save that to the side. We gotta focus on taking off literally all the old one. This is the OEM one, I believe, so it's a 6-piece instead of just what I got, which is it's a single piece, but we'll go more in depth as to what that means when that video comes out. But basically we gotta take off a lot, to be honest. Might even have to take off this lower seat as well to get to this thing, because we need to take that off. Got a lot of work to do, I'm telling you guys. Basically what we're gonna do right now is pretty much gut it. My headliner, when I originally got this car, it was only probably up to here complete, but it had a bunch of holes and this was like hanging out, so me and my friend started ripping all that out. Unfortunately for this project, the rear window and the front glass do need to come out because it does tuck into the window. I'm gonna try to work my way around that and probably save that to the last thing we need to do, so I can actually do that like at my homie's shop, like feeling safe and whatnot, because I don't want to leave my car, because I'm on the street right now, man. My bad, guys. Let me show you guys the weather. It's a little gloomy day today, so I got this fun little project for me today. On the side of the road, you know what it is. We always do work right here. That's what we do, baby. Let me know if you guys are trying to copy your decals, support the decals, man. Shoot us a DM, link in the description. Let me know something. I'm gonna start towards the front, work my way back. So we're gonna take off these bows and all of this like headliner that was left from them. These bows are basically to hold the headliner up, but since we need to take it off to put our padding up there first, our insulation, and then put the bows back. So we're just gonna take these out. So this is what I have so far. Everything's taken off. These are already open, the little pry tab things. This is what I got so far. This side's pretty much done. The middle's pretty much done. I had to scrape off a lot of stuff. Maybe some I didn't, but it's okay, whatever, nothing happened. I took off that, I cut it. I think this is a fold-in piece. So I could pull this one out open, but I think I'm gonna just throw it away whenever I get the carpet in here. I have a carpet kit for this car as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it before or after the show, since you don't really see it. The headliner is a little bit more of what I'm concerned about, but I know the headliner only goes to about like right here, so we'll see what we do with that. This side I'm gonna get started on right now. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Not really, but it is what it is. But we're gonna knock it out real quick for the one time, you know what I'm saying? we took out. Literally the whole headliner. Nasty. A whole lot of trash in there. And we still need to vacuum and clean up inside, but that's the majority of it. Everything's pretty much taken off, all the door stuff as well. So we're pretty much ready to start installing the new stuff in there. We'll get the foam in there next. These are for above the quarter. You guys can tell because these are angled, and this is obviously an angled position right here. This is an angled position, so these are angled above the quarter window. These are the doorposts. It's bigger at the bottom than at the top. For the doorpost, it goes right there. You got two of those. They look the same. And then you got above the door ones right here that go right there. Those are pretty straight and small. And then you got these above the fender ones that go right there. You got two of those. And then you got this rear part that goes right here. And then you got two L-shaped pieces that go kind of right here. Right here. Well, mine didn't come with them, so I already spoke to J-Bugs on the phone. And they're going to send those out to me pretty soon. Or tomorrow, I think they said. They're going to send them out. Shout out to my boy Andy, came through and plugged in my hole. I had a rust hole through there, so we got that all situated. Right now I'm gonna throw it on. The glue I'm using, I do have upholstery glue, but my dad told me to try this one out. I don't know what it is. He told me we're not supposed to have it, but it's a pretty strong smell, and I can only use a small amount of it because then it just dries out and it turns hard. So I don't know what kind of glue this is. I'm not sure what it's used for, but if it works, it works, you know? Oh, and we obviously got the main piece that goes above right here. So right now, what I think we're gonna do is tackle the big part, because I think that's gonna be the most painful one to do. I do have some paintbrushes as well to do the job, so that should make it a lot easier. I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I kind of just started layering it on top, and then layering it on the actual cloth itself, like every 3-4 inches. I don't know what this glue is used for, you know what I'm saying? Normally you just get like the upholstery glue from the AutoZone or something. But my dad gave me this one, so I figured I'd give it a shot. It seems to be working so well. that concludes all our foam being put on. Everything is on. Headliner piece is on. All of my side pieces are on. Everything's on now, bro. Everything looks good too. Got it all fitted and cut up right. Get a razor blade to make it a lot easier. Tape off your little light. Tape off right here. It makes it a lot easier to cut it off after. Leave a gap right here so the bows can get in. You know, pretty obvious stuff. Next video is going to be the headliner, and I'm pretty hyped about that. I just wanted to get this out of the way because this is prep and you kind of understand how stuff is supposed to go and where it gets tucked and whatnot. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. It's all the way to the bottom. I kind of cut right where this lip goes. That's where I cut, and then across the top right here, the bows go in like that, so the foam sticks out a little bit up past it, but it's fine because it can still go in there. It's not too hard, guys. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy actually once you get the glue laid down and stuff. The hardest part was honestly the roof, just because I didn't have any help, but it went up pretty easily. I just didn't have, like I said, help to get it up there, but it went in pretty well, I think so. And then the bows is just gonna hold it up, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah, came out pretty cool, guys. I'm very happy with it. Now the car's gonna be warm. I don't know how much of a difference this is gonna make, but I'm excited to see, you know, compared to having absolutely nothing. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a fat thumbs up. If it was helpful, educational, or just cheered up your day, let me know some. You guys are excited for the projects and the car show, make sure to hit that subscribe because we got a lot of dope stuff coming for all our cars. Hit that bell notification so you guys get informed every single time we drop a banger. I'm hyped about that. June 27th, I need you guys to be there. That's within a few days. This video might, I don't know when this video is gonna go up actually because I'm really behind. Just a lot of dope stuff in the works, man, I'm telling you. But when this video drops, it's gonna be June 27th. I have a car show. It's gonna be at the Santa Cruz County Fairgrounds in Watsonville, 1 to 6 p.m. Roll through, support your boy. The bug will be there. We're building this bug to be there, so make sure you guys come out, show some love. Whenever, I love deadlines and I don't love them at the same time. I love the pressure of having to make something great, and I love getting into it. But at the same time, I don't like the pressure, man. I don't like the pressure of having to finish up by a certain date. Right now, I got about 18 days. The time of this recording, I have 18 days. At the time of this video posting, I probably have less than a week. But yeah, man, this is just a short part that I want to do the first half of the foam. I think this is very important because this kind of what gives it shape. The top one is more for like insulation, but like these other side bolsterings and stuff, that's what gives like the headliner shape and like contour and stuff, and it doesn't make it look like crap, you know. So that's very important for me. That's why I bought it. Yeah, guys, I'm excited for what's to come. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.